Hey guys, it's Elaine, the Ninja Life Coach, and welcome to my channel today. Today, I'm going to do a Mary Kay unboxing of products. I just got an order in, and I want to unbox this and just show you guys what's in this box. So sit back, grab yourselves a cup of coffee. I'll be right back. Hey everybody, I'm back, and today I'm wearing a wig by Sensational Sheer Muse. This is Nikita in Icy Berry. I got this from Diva Tress, and I just kind of did a little different look today. I wanted to just kind of pull her up, so I've just got her pulled up in a little clip right back here, and I have a headband on, and it is really rainy here today, and there was no way I was going to go out in this mess with my biological hair. Okay, so I'm not sure the first part of this video recorded because my video cut off right in the middle of everything that I was doing. But I've got the box slit open, and let's just go with whatever is in here, and let me just talk about it a little bit. This is the Timewise Miracle Set, and I got a couple of these today, and one of them I got free because one thing Mary Kay does when you first start out as a consultant with Mary Kay, if you reach a certain level, you can get product bundles for free. So I got one of these free, and this is a $110 value that I just got absolutely free. So I'm really happy about that because all I had to pay on it was the tax. So that is 100% profit for me. So this is a Timewise Miracle Set. It comes with 4 things. It comes with a cleanser, comes with a day cream, a night cream, and an eye cream. So there are 4 things that come in this, and there's 2 of them. So happy to get that. Then there is the Satin Hands Set. I don't know if any of you all have ever used the Satin Hands Set, but I love Satin Hands. Satin Hands is a great little product. I really like it because it makes your hands feel soft. It's got an exfoliator, it's got the cream, and it has a skin softener. So there's a 3-step process here with the Satin Hands. Satin Hands is one of Mary Kay's signature products. They've been around, it's been around for many years. They've changed the scent of it a little bit. It smells great. It is actually white citrus. Let me make sure before I just spout this off. White tea and citrus. White citrus. I don't know where I got that. White tea and citrus. It smells really good, and it has some really good healing properties for your hands as well. The next thing is the Voluform cleanser from Timewise Repair. Now, Timewise Repair is what I use. I don't use the Miracle Set. I use the Repair Set because once you get over a certain age and your wrinkles start getting a little bit deeper and your skin starts drying out, the Timewise Repair Set is really good to help reverse the signs of aging, and it is an emollient type of formula. This particular product is the cleanser. It's very gentle and it's very mild, and your skin feels really soft when you're through with it, and I really love this product. Actually, this is probably one of my very favorite Mary Kay products. Of course, the Microdermabrasion Set, that thing I think it's heavenly. It's wonderful, but this is part of the entire Timewise collection, which I absolutely adore. It's been around for several years. Mary Kay has reformulated it several times to stay relevant and up to date. I love that about Mary Kay. They rebrand themselves and they reformulate their products when new stuff comes along. Sometimes clients don't like that because they don't like any kind of change, but it's kind of like carrying a flip phone versus a smartphone. I mean, flip phones were great at the time and the technology, but as technology changes, don't you want that smartphone as opposed to a flip phone? So that's the way I kind of look at it. You know, sometimes I'm not happy when they take away my favorite product, and I know that not too long ago, a company discontinued one of my very favorite lipstick shades, and I was like, oh my goodness, my lipstick that I love is gone. Well, I had to take a step back and think, okay, how long have you been using that lipstick color? And I've been using it for quite a while. And when I used to work for Lancome Cosmetics, one thing we always told ladies when Lancome discontinued a shade, and one of my favorite shades with them was Strawberry Doré. Well, they discontinued it. And when they did, we had a lot of ladies coming in wanting that color, and we didn't have it anymore. And one thing that we would always tell them, well, it's time to change your lipstick shade if they've discontinued your color. And that really is the truth, because that is one thing that can really make us look dated or make our makeup look not on trend, is if we're wearing a lipstick shade that's 10 years old. We need to update that lipstick at least every couple of years. I mean, you really do. And your eyeshadows as well, because that changes too as time goes by. Okay, so here is the Microdermabrasion Set. And inside here are, this is how it comes. And I apologize for the light. I know this is really hard to see. I'm going to try to get it close. This comes with a pore refiner and the Microdermabrasion refiner with it. And you can use this just with your fingers, or you can use, I've got a little scrubby brush that I use that comes from Mary Kay, and it's got rotating head on it, and you can really get down in there and get those pores good and clean. But this leaves your skin feeling very smooth and soft, and it doesn't dry your skin out. It's a wonderful product. I have been using this for 10, 15 years, I guess. It's a great little product. It's one of my, like I said, I think it's my very favorite Mary Kay product. I sell a ton of that simply because I love that product. Now, the next thing is, this is the Satin Body Indulgent Body Wash. This is a shea butter body wash, and I've got one of those. And I should have the rest somewhere in here, the rest of the body set. And here it is. This is the Silkening Body Silk Lotion. And there's the exfoliating scrub. And the other thing that I was looking for, and I'm so glad it came in, because this, I have sold out of this 3 times. This is CC cream. I don't know if you all have ever used a CC cream, but a CC cream is a color correcting cream. It's got a moisturizer in it. And Mary Kay's also has a sunscreen. So in those summer months when you don't want anything really heavy on your skin, you can certainly use a CC cream, and it really, really helps to, I mean, it's great. I love this product. And my daughter didn't wear foundation for years, and then she started using this CC cream, and she told me I'm obsessed with it, and I can see why. I mean, it's just a great little product. Let's see what else we got in here. There's another CC cream, and another one. A brush set. The brush set has got 5 different brushes in it. And it comes in a set, and it comes in this nice, I'm going to open this up so you can see this little case. This comes in a nice little case. I'm going to open the whole thing up. And here are the brushes. And it's got a foundation brush, a blush brush, and 3 blending brushes. And this is great. And I will tell you how much I believe in Mary Kay brushes. And I've said this before on my channel. I have some Mary Kay brushes that are probably 30 years old. And I use them every day on my face because they're good brushes. They've got good bristles on them. They don't shed. They don't, they really apply your makeup well. And that is one thing that it's okay to use cheap brushes if that's all you can afford. Put your money in skincare and take care of your skin. But if you can afford to get some good brushes, Mary Kay's, I can speak for the longevity of them. They really last a long time. The next thing that's in here is a little set of lip glosses. And I like to keep these on hand just to give. I'll open this up and give people one every now and then just because, I want them to try the product. And it's a good little thing just to hand out to people and give them. The next thing that is in here is more CC cream. I did not remember ordering all this CC cream, but I guess I did, and I will sail through it. It's not a problem. And this is a lipstick case to hold. I've got Mary Kay falling everywhere. This is a lipstick case to hold your lipstick. I don't really care about this. I have actually got 2 more of these, so this is the 3rd one. But they sent it free, so I'll take it. And then my order pads. So that looks like that's everything in this box. Really happy to get all this stuff and just go to town on here and see what all is in here. I'm really excited about looking through this. This is I got a mascara and lipstick bundle. I normally get that because there's a couple of shades of lip gloss that I sell a lot of, and in that bundle, one of the colors is Fancy Nancy, and I don't know how many of those I've sold, but I've sold quite a few of those. And when I get the free bundles, that always comes in it. And one thing I really like about Mary Kay, when you first get into Mary Kay, they send you, once you hit a certain level with your orders, they will send you free product bundles and you get stuff free. And one of these skincare sets that I got here, I actually got free and I didn't have to pay for it. And I actually have a lipstick and mascara bundle in here that I didn't have to pay for. And I usually, if I have the choice of bundles, I usually either get one of these Timewise sets or I get the lipstick and mascara bundle, simply because of those colors that it comes in. I can sell those. They're very marketable. So I think that's everything except for my packing slip. I got to find that thing and get and check off everything, make sure everything's here. But thank you guys for watching my unboxing, and you guys have a great day. God bless you. Maranatha.